Hello, today we're gonna be playing Papa Scooperia. Today we're gonna be playing as Carlo Romano. Great name. Really love the name. Mwah. This looks like the 70s. What you want? Ivy. You want cookie thing? Ice cream? Strawberry? Nuts? Yeah, got him. Nuts. You want me to scoop up? Wop. Bake station. And wait like 900 years until it's done? Wow. Take the cookie, put it on a plate, click OK. And what did shoot you? That was amazing. Love it. Masterpiece. What you want me to do? A strawberry. Just get a whole line. Yeah, masterpiece. Again. No! It isn't so beautiful. No. You're not allowed to like that. No, that's not. No, that's not. No. You're supposed to hate it. Nice. Alright. What you want? You want the black one. Doop. Scoop. And then with nuts. And then bake station. Bam, bam, bam. Alright. Awfully looks weird. I'm scared. No. Alright. Good enough, I guess. Alright, and then vanilla. And bop. And then wait, no, a little bit more. Nah, not enough. We need a little bit more. Why so little? Like, we need more. Still not good enough. It needs to be 10 out of 10. Good enough. And then my diarrhea looks beautiful. And then some nuts that are not mine, since I don't have nuts. Got them. No, I'm joking. Okay. Nuts. Nah. This guy ordered nuts, so I'm gonna give him nuts. And not the normal amount of nuts, though. No. Masterpiece. Love it. Love it or hate it, he has a nut ice cream. Masterpiece! Goddamn masterpiece. Alright, and a cherry. Is that... Where do you get the cherry? Oh. I didn't see that down there. He was hiding. Do you like your nut cream? Yes. What? He actually likes it. No. What? Wow. I guess I make the best ice in the world. Let's play one more round. Let's play one more round. No. I don't want to play Fashion Flame. Good enough. Go. Go, no go. I'll be right back. Alright. Woo! Awesome. Alright. What you want, Mr. Doan? Alright, okay. Okay, what is that? What's that supposed to be? I don't... So you have one... Bop! Bop. Good enough. And chocolate thingies. Then you want... Bake station. Hello? Oh. Well then. This is gonna take a long time to even finish, like bra moment. Not good enough. You didn't get 100%. Alright, what you want? You want this scoop? Good. Nah. Bop. Perfect. You can't even see it. Then you want my diarrhea? Perfect. Wait, no. A little bit more of diarrhea. Yeah. Little bit more. He never said how much diarrhea. He only said diarrhea. Oh, and a little bit of poop as well. Mmm, delicious. And then 8-pack of gum. Looks absolutely delicious. What? I'm trying to fail. How? This guy's fat. Not to be mean, but he's a little bit chubby. Alright. Alberto. I'm not gonna do yours. I know you're from the other bakery. I meant Papa's whatever. How come Papa has so many restaurants? He has scooperia, he has burgeria, he has pizzeria. How much does he have? Alright, okay. No. Alright, fine, I'll let it go. Masterpiece. And then scoop. And then bop. Can't even see it. And then you want my diarrhea. Wow, a lot of people like my diarrhea. That is amazing. People like diarrhea. Yum. Looks like spaghetti. Alright, and then you want nuts. I'll get you nuts. I just get a line down of nuts. Perfect. And then you want a cone. Masterpiece. Oh, he don't like it. He doesn't like it. And then Alberto over here wants this kind of ice cream with nuts. Bro, Alberto loves nuts. I see. He is a nut person. I'll be right back. I'll let this cook to the end. Alright, I'm back. It's done. Now he wants a vanilla ice cream on it. Pop! And then this doesn't let it. It's way too little. He needs a lot more. Alright, now a little bit of my diarrhea. As always, people love my diarrhea. And then some nuts, big nuts. And then a cherry on top. Oop. Perfect. Do you like it? Or do you love it? You love it. Awesome. Even when I try to mess up, I always manage to win. That's what you want. Bro, I'm not giving you that. No. Oh, you want to come into my store and... You know what you get? You only get... You don't even get a full scoop. No, that's not allowed. And then... He wants this. Good enough. He thinks he's gonna get what he wants. No, get it back fast. No, he gets nuts. Hey, that goes there. That goes there. That goes there. Just get a little bit fatter like this guy. Wow, this guy's fat. Damn. I'm thick. Boom. Alright, done. And then the first one is vanilla. Wait. They think I'm gonna put ice cream on all of them. No. I'm gonna put ice cream on... Wait, go back. He wants chocolate. And then only one of them gets everything. The others don't get nothing. Okay, fine, I'll be nice. I'll give them a little bit of that and a little bit of my diarrhea. Yum, diarrhea. And then you. And then caramel. Boop, and no. And bop. Amazing. Do you like it? Oh, he mad. He mad, boy. He a mad boy. Well then, that's all for today. See ya. See you tomorrow, maybe. Bye. Wait, what am I gonna get? Yeah, Mint Master. Alright, goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye.